Hi traders, welcome to Trading Talk episode 58. My name's Matt, one of the traders here at TradeView. In this episode I'm going to be sharing with you an example model and a concept behind how you can actually buy the dip. It's something commonly done in markets and in trading, and it has been for years, and I'm going to actually show you how you can automate this. So therefore you don't need to be in front of your chart waiting for the dip to happen, and also I'm going to show you how we can do some testing across several different products. Also, I want to discuss the International Trading Championship. We're close to wrapping up the first sprint competition, in fact next week. So the next sprint competition will start on the 1st of June. Anyone that isn't already involved, get yourself involved for that. Clean slate, and therefore you give yourself a good chance of winning, and that will be going for 3 months. The guys in the top 10 are all TradeView Investments clients, which shows automation is literally the only way to go. Algo Trading Conference, we've actually provided the systems which each speaker will be presenting at the conference. So Dr. Tom Stark, who's the quant, he's going to be presenting with you an AI-based pairs trading system. Something I've never got in my portfolio, have no idea on how to build myself. PhD in physics, that explains that. Kevin Davey, World Trading Champion, he's going to be presenting a model which is based on his World Trading Champion days, so it's going to be a championship trading system. He returned over 100% in each time he entered that trading championship, which is live account money. So certainly excited to see what Kevin's going to be bringing and providing. Last but certainly not least is the head of trading at TradeView, and that's Eli Ghali, who has certainly been my mentor for the past year and a half I've been with TradeView. He's going to be presenting a breakout style model. He absolutely loves his geometry, as anyone who's already a member will see in the newsletters that Eli does a great job at providing, and also in the chat room. So super excited to see what his breakout system is going to entail, and of course I'm looking forward to you guys all getting your hands on it. Time to get automated. Get yourself signed up to TradeView's intermediate workshop. Click on that link below. Give me a message on Skype, give me a call if you've got any questions, and I look forward to working with you all soon.